Hello, good evening. It's winding down. Just I was looking at this story here. Put out a poll. Hey, playing around trying to figure out Instagram, and I see 30%, 30% are not feeling enough today. That's 30% of my people out there who weren't feeling enough. I guess that was yesterday, but possibly still today. Hopefully that you're feeling better today. But when I saw that, it sort of broke my heart, man. Come on. I get it. You're not being recognized. You're not being seen. You don't feel like it's enough. It's not enough for your spouse, your mom, your family, your friends. And I'll be honest, I've been there. I have been there. But I always have those miracle stories, where it takes the strangers who see things in you that those closest to you just can't see sometimes. They see you so much, they might take you for granted, It took Mrs. Crane all the way down in Tennessee, a teacher after I moved, to see my potential and push me to become an engineer, So there's something in there. So you're enough. Don't think you're not enough. Like you've always got enough. You have something to give too. You have worth. It doesn't take a lot of money. And you have that smile. You can give that smile and transform someone's day. Just an ear, a glance, just giving someone the time of day. Sometimes it takes just turning it all around. We get down on ourselves, feeling we've been neglected. Well, maybe we need to just take a different look at the world. Maybe there's something we're neglecting. Or we're just neglecting the fact that we were made a purpose, baby. Yes, that's right. The universe called you to existence. So don't tell me you ain't enough. Now, you may not have felt like enough, but I'm going to remind you that you are, and you'll always be enough. Just a little click on the button there helped me out. I'm like, hey, they helped the poll to inspire me to speak, to put out more, to help with my dream and vision. So, hey, let me know how I can help you. Maybe that'll be the next poll. How can I help you? But you will always be enough. I'm not going to accept 30%. No, we're going to get that number down, baby. Because that's 3 out of 10. That's 30 out of 100 people feeling incomplete. When you were made complete, you were made with a purpose. You were called to existence with a passion. And you have superpowers. You're a superhero. You have an imagination that can create amazing things. You have a willpower that cannot be changed by even God. Like it cannot even be changed by that God. That's your will. You have the power of discernment, the ability to choose, the power to plan. There's no other animal that can plan. That's the ability to choose what they're going to do with their time. What? And you're telling me you ain't enough? You better take some time to look at your superpowers. Look at what you can do. Stop looking at what you can't do. Look at what you can do. You can do amazing things. Amazing things. Look inside of you sometimes. Quit looking out at the world that says you ain't enough. I say you are enough. Start filling your own cup up. Start filling it up with affirmations, baby. Let's go. Because you are full. You are full of light. You're full of love. And you're definitely full of potential, a whole lot of potential, and we don't want to see that go to the grave. Let's put that on the planet, all right? Let's put that out there, all right? Be awesome. Stay awesome. If you felt full yesterday, hey, I hope you feel full tomorrow. We all go through it. The good thing is to know that we're going. You're passing through. It's moving. It's not forever. Change is inevitable. Time is actually on our side. We just have to use it wisely. All right? Love someone today. Gonna be a lot more polls coming because I love this stuff, man. I love this stuff touching my heart. It breaks my heart at times because I'm a dreamer. I want utopia, right? Everybody feeling all good and happy, but I understand it takes the lows to respect the highs. So we'll take the good and the bad and we'll roll with the ebbs and flows of life, baby. Because it's all experience. Don't forget to love someone today. Subscribe to the page at Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, we're just getting started here. Peace.